Hello guys, today I'm gonna show how to connect MongoDB server. We are using MongoDB Atlas, which is a global cloud database service using NodeJS and Express Node Package Manager. First of all, before talking about how to create MongoDB Atlas account, etc., I came and I opened my Visual Studio Code. It's default. In fact, in order to start my project, I write npm init in order to create my package.json file. As you can see, enter every details. Voila. After that, in order to connect MongoDB server database, I just need to install two package managers, which one is MongoDB and another Express. When I click enter, it's automatically downloading, and our node modules folder created here, and our dependencies came here. Since I just want to also create my API.js main URI.js. No, I just want to, since I created an API.js file. Voila. And after that, first of all, I just write something in Express. When I click expressjs.com and came here, hello world, I don't want to type everything from scratch, just to show how it's easy to create such things. It's default, as you can see. When I start with Node API.js, as you can see, it's connected. This console log message logged here. But rest and hello world, we just voila. When MongoDB Atlas, when we came here, where is it? Create an account and type email, first name, last name, password. I just also created this account before. There are we have to first create projects. I created projects previously, and click here just to be fast. Right here the project name, another new project. Hop. Create a project. After the project, we have to create clusters. We are waiting now. Well, it comes. As you can see, there are 3 projects in here, and under another new project there is no clusters. So I'm going to create a new cluster and choose free version, and I just keep these options default and don't want to change anything. It's free also, and I give a name to my cluster under another cluster. What's the name? I forget the name of another new project, I think. Another cluster, and create cluster. When I click it, in fact, it takes 7 to 10 minutes to deploy, so I don't want to wait 7 to 10 minutes. I return back to my previous project where I already create clusters and connections, databases, collections and documents. If it will open, it takes some time, by the way. I don't know whether it takes. Whoop. When we came here. Okay, it's open. Under my project 0, as you can see, I created a cluster which named my cluster. When I click here, there are collections. There are databases. Under the databases, there are collections. Under the collections, there are documents, etc., etc. It's going. I just connect this database. How can I connect this database? In here, it's very simple. When I click connect, I just choose a method, connect your application. We will going to connect this database with NodeJS. There are also other options here. This is just on a string method. This is full method. I will use this full driver example, since it is an example, and paste here. In fact, as you can see, there is const URI. This is my username, and I will delete here and type my password. Since I already make it before, just delete this one. Const URI equals require WAP URI. Voila. This also done, and for this require at the top. These are connection methods. Client connect, const collect. In here, this is the name of the database, this is the name of the collection. I return back to my cluster. I just, for example, wanted to connect which say hello database. So I type here say hello, and collection, which collection in here? Language, for example, language, and perform actions on the collection of this is totally after from now on MongoDB. For example, where will I take the example? For example, find one example MongoDB. I click. I just want to take from here. I don't know whether. Voila, find one. No, it's full version. I'm looking for the full version, full example, not just configuration, Mongo shell. I don't know what's the problem about my internet connection. Also, I'm just pausing this video and withreschool.com, and here is an example. Just Mongo client connect. I just wanted to copy this whole thing from here and came my Visual Studio Code. and collection. As you can see, when I type that, there is also method came here. This is whole MongoDB, by the way, and there is callback function came here. Which parameters this callback function takes? Error, result, if error, throw, s'il vous plaît, error, and after otherwise, where is our example here? Console log result. But we don't want to console log this result because we will use I will copy this part totally and came here in Express and paste here, and also take result send, take it our result send, just I don't know what's the problem here. Here are the database client connect. Here. Voilà. And res. This res illustrates this one. This is Express, JSON, and this result. I will take the result and came here. Voilà, that's all. I think we will. I don't know what's the problem here. Also, expected. Voila, I figured out curly brackets parentheses matters, and I save it. There are lots of parentheses, curly bracket matters, and excellent. Make it simple. And after that, I just want to, for example, find one. Define a route in here when I connect local. Where's my? I don't know. Where's my port? Where's the port? Well, port 3000. When I click at port number 3000 and after /find one, I expect to reach my database and fetch the data from there. Node. I came my terminal. I type my node app.js. It's connected. When I come to Google Chrome and localhost 3000, there is nothing, of course. After that, I don't remember how can I find one. And after that, I type find one and enter. As you can see, it came from my MongoDB Atlas say hello database and inside language collection. And I will take find one where is here. As you can see, Turkish, the whole thing. I take this one. When I just want to reply and type and click F5, pending. Why it takes too long to drive? Voila. It doesn't problem. Is there any problem? Of course. There is no primary server available. It is related with MongoDB because it's a free account, free cluster, and shared cluster. As you can see here, find done style